Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platform, which is ProtonVPN and CyberGhost VPN. So here's a quick overview about these two platforms. ProtonVPN is a security-first VPN developed by the marketers of ProtonMail, offering an open source software, Swift-based privacy law, and a no-log policy. It's a top pick for users who prioritize privacy and trust over flasher features. Talking about CyberGhost on the other side is a user-friendly VPN known for its large server network, dedicated with streaming profiles and a strong performance, especially for beginners looking for convenience and speed. And these two platforms are best for a different type of things. So here's what this platform are best for. So talking about ProtonVPN is best for privacy focused user, journalists, and anyone in a censorship heavy region. Then talking about CyberGhost is best for streaming, torrenting, and a beginner who want a simplicity. So talking about the downside about these two platforms, starting with the CyberGhost weakness. It is based in Romania but owned by a US linked company, which is Gap. No open source app or independent audit on the platform, and some advanced settings are limited, which is part of the downside of this platform. Talking about the downside of the ProtonVPN, the price at premium ties, which means it is very expensive when it comes to the ties plan of this platform, and also not as optimized for streaming or torrenting as a competitor platform, and the free plan can be slower and limited in some regions. And here's the overall conclusion about these two platforms. So choose ProtonVPN if you prioritize transparency, no logs trust, secure privacy, and a back by Swift law. On the other side, you can just go for CyberGhost if you want a fast speed and a great streaming access and a user-friendly experience with a lot of global server. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.